I've been testing out Metatrader 5 mobile app to see how usable it really is day to day, how smooth the setup is, and whether it's actually practical to trade from your phone. Not sponsored, just a straight walkthrough so you can skip the confusion. So first is that you want to head over into the App Store if you're in iOS or Play Store if you are in Android and search for Metatrader 5, and then you should have this mobile app in here. You want to tap here on Get or Install button or download whatever it is on your mobile device as long as you'd be able to install it into your phone. And now it's now downloading, and once it's finished installing, you would want to open up right away. So tap here on Open. And now you can now select to send not or receive notifications. In my case, I'll just tap on Not Allow. And in here, you can tap here on Accept. And then after that, you can now open a demo account. And then once you tapped on the button, you will now be taken in here where you need to provide your personal information. So make sure you provide that. And then your mobile number and then your email. Now, under account information is in here, we have some technical options. So first is the use hedge. So this decides whether your account uses hedging or netting. So hedging is basically you can open multiple positions on the same pair in opposite directions, and netting is only one position per pair is allowed. So opening a trade in the opposite direction will modify or close the existing one. So as for this one, I'm just going to enable hedging. So use hedge. Next is we have the server. So this means that this is the server your demo account will be hosted on. Typically, you'll see something like MetaCode's demo, which is exactly what we have right now. And that is exactly fine. So I'm just going to leave it as it is fine for general practice. Next is we have the account type. So this is what this means is that some brokers offer different types of demo accounts like standard, ECN, raw spread, and etc. So for practice, I'll just pick a standard right here, or I think USD is fine with me depending on the currency that you would want to play in. So I'm just gonna go with my standard one, which is USD. And next is we have leverage. So this is the ratio between your capital and the amount you can trade. For example, we have 1 to 100 right here. So this leverage lets you control $10,000 with $100. And for this demo, I'll just choose 1 to 100, which is fine with me. But you could also increase that if you'd want to. So if you're just learning, you can go lower to get used to the risk if you'd want to. But the lowest one right here is 1:1. So there it is. And next is that we have deposit. So in here is that this is the fake balance you'll start with your demo account. So you want to pick something close to what you'd realistically trade it with real life, like maybe $1,000, $5,000, or $100,000, whatever it is. But I think the lowest here is only 3,000 USD. So yeah, so whatever value it is that is closest to what you'd realistically trade. And next is that we have the accept toggle right here. So this just confirms your setup and creates a demo account. So tap it when you're ready. So I'm just going to tap that right there. And that's it. Once you have provided all of the necessary information, tap on register on the bottom. Alright, now we are in. And before you will be prompted here into the dashboard, you should also see the login details that will be provided to you once you tapped on the register button. So make sure to save that. And then now is that we can now use the app. So in here, once you're in, you'll see a basic layout. So we have the codes tab. As you can see here at the bottom, we have their tabs. So first is codes, which shows live prices. And then the chart tabs gives you full charts with indicators. Surprisingly responsive on mobile. And then the trade tab is where you can open and manage your positions. And you've got access to account history too, and then you have some orders, deals, and positions in here. And then finally is your settings for your account. So yeah, just a quick heads up, it's solid for monitoring and light trading, but for more advanced analysis or multi-screen setup, you'll still want the desktop version. So that's it for the basics and overview on Metatrader 5 mobile app. Let me know if you'd want a deeper info or a deeper tutorial video on this. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.